What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to transcribe with Google Docs. So currently we have our Google Docs and this is just an ordinary document. As you can see, it's untitled just at this point. But what we want to do is to go over to Tools, click on Tools, and you want to locate voice typing. This is a shortcut, Control-Shift+S. Of course you could do that, but we're just clicking on voice typing. As you can see, it's shown the icon and you can look at the different languages right here. And I think we're speaking English, so we're going to leave it there. Now you can click on this to speak and we're going to try it out. So we're trying out Google Docs transcribing feature and to try and see how accurate it is. So we just pressed on it again to stop recording and you can see, so we're trying out Google Docs transcribing feature and try and see how accurate it is. This is good. So this is how you can get to transcribe with Google Docs, but let's try it out with a video, say on another tab in our browser. So we're going to have a split screen. So we just made a split screen and we have another video on our channel and we're going to press on this, which is going to delete this first. Or we could go to a new line, keep this over here. And then we're going to press on this and then press on play on this video, right? So let's go. Here where you can speak into it and it's going to respond based on your question after you tap on it. You might need to give some permissions right here when you tap on it, such as allowing Perplexity to record your. Great, and you can see we're doing a live transcription of the video that is being played on another window because we actually made a split screen for you to see how it works. This is looking great. Of course, from time to time, you will need to, of course, look through the written text to identify errors, but this is pretty nice and it's working fine. So this is how you can transcribe with Google Docs.